Hello, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Sangrila with Ila Anand Acharya. This is a series going on the very famous Hawaiian prayer, Ho'oponopono prayer. I have named it as 30-day free workshop and today is day 11. So almost I have started with what is Ho'oponopono prayer, the medium Ho'oponopono prayer, the persons who have started with this Ho'oponopono prayer, who are involved, who are the founders of Ho'oponopono prayer. And after that I've tried to share the important terms: zero limits, zero at zero, zero state, void, zero frequency. Then I have tried to explain you how to do the Ho'oponopono prayer and what is 100% responsibility, consistency, all that I've tried to explain you from day 1 to day 10. So now what I have not yet explained on my Hindi channel, today I'm going to share with you over here from this book, as I'm taking it as a reference, Zero Limits by Dr. Joe Vitale and Dr. Hewlin E. Haleakala. So this is the diagram of which are shown in this book. There are various diagrams of the various levels of the state of the mind, and these diagrams helps us to explain how we are going to delete the memories, how the infinite intelligence are going to help us to delete the memories, and how we get the intuition from the divinity. Okay, so these are the important diagrams. If you are really a big fan of Ho'oponopono prayer, you must have gone through some YouTube channels where Dr. Hewlin have taken the seminars along with Dr. Joe Vitale, and there they have explained these diagrams very nicely. So right now I am just going to share with you few important blocks which are there in this diagram, which is common. Although you see these diagrams are different, but this is the basic diagram, and this basic diagram is then used to explain how the transmutation is taking place, how the forgiveness is taking place, how you are asking sorry, how you are being forgiven. All that has been explained. So over here they have given the diagram, and as per the diagram there are 4 states. Okay, subconscious mind, conscious mind is this block over here. This block is subconscious mind, conscious mind is this block. Okay, then superconscious mind. Superconscious mind is this triangle. This triangle is this superconscious mind. And divine intelligence, there's this little rectangle over here, standing vertical rectangle, is the divine intelligence. Okay, and this is known as this diagram is known as the self-identity state of void. The term void, zero limits, I have explained to you. So over here in this diagram they have said that when these three combines, when subconscious mind, conscious mind and the superconscious mind, they form a void. Okay, and this is infinite. This is what they have written is infinite. I'm so sorry if the diagram is not clear. I'm trying to show you some clear view from my front camera. I normally have this angle, so I'm so sorry. I will try to take a picture and then try to edit it for you. Okay, so understand 4 major level. One is combined. We have the subconscious mind, conscious mind combined. Then we have this superconscious mind, and that is the ultimate divine intelligence. So over here they have very nicely explained all these levels, what all these terms mean, what all these levels are in this book. So I will just try to share with you that only, because it will give you more clarity how the things are. Okay, just give me a minute. I have just read it and I would like to share with you from this book only. Yes. just a minute. Where is it? Okay, yeah, it was here only. So first of all, they have started from the higher level, but I would like to go from the below level. So here, subconscious mind. So I'll just repeat it. I am subconscious mind. I am the storehouse for all of the accumulated memories from the beginning of the creation. Subconscious mind is the storage. Even if you understand concept based on the law of attraction also, it is known as the recorder. A small child still the age of 7 years is having only a recording. It only will record, it only will store. It is not having any conscious mind right now active. The subconscious mind is also only active, so it will just record, it will just observe his or her parents walking, the around situation. And that is the reason most of the people tell you, if your 1 to 7 years are fine, they are happy, they are healthy, your entire life will be the same, because the subconscious mind has recorded that. Okay, so it is a storage house. And then it is saying that I am, that is, it is about the subconscious mind is explaining that I am the place where experience are experienced as memories replaying, or as the inspirations. Okay, there in the subconscious mind there are inspirations and there are memories. I am the place where the body and the world reside as memories replaying and as inspiration. I am the place where problems lie as memories reacting. Okay, so in short, subconscious mind is the most important part. Mostly, if you know about law of attraction, it is said that 95% of your life is governed by your subconscious mind. So if your subconscious mind is good, it is having all the good memories, you are a perfect, healthy, wealthy, good relationship people. But if your subconscious mind is having mixed memories of positive and good, you are a medium. But if it is of all the negative memories, then you become a very, like average kind of, or the person who needs most of the help, okay, in subconscious reprogramming. So the below is subconscious mind. The conscious mind, I am conscious mind. I have the gift of choice. So conscious mind has the gift of choice. It has this judgment, it has this skeptical mind, it is this decision making mind, whether this is good or this is bad, this I should take or this I should take, this is okay for me or this is not okay. So all the decision, it has a choice. Conscious mind has the choice. So I can allow the memories to dictate experience from the subconscious mind, and then I can initiate the release of them through that Ho'oponopono. I can give the petition and direction from the divine intelligence. Okay, so it is very important, because now the subconscious mind, in the below diagram, the subconscious mind and the conscious mind are the single block. Okay, so they are connected to each other. 5% is conscious, 95% is subconscious, so they are connected to each other. But this 5% is very strong, it has the choice, so it can control the 95%. Okay, so now this 5%, it can allow the Ho'oponopono prayer to release the memories from the subconscious mind, from the delete the memories from the subconscious mind, and can allow the divine intelligence to give you the inspiration. So that is the power of the conscious mind. Now super conscious mind, the other one, the triangle one. Okay, the super conscious mind, it is a super conscious mind, and I oversee the conscious and the subconscious mind. I review and make appropriate changes in the Ho'oponopono petition to the divine intelligence initiated by the conscious mind, and I am unaffected by the memories replaying in the subconscious mind, and I am always one with the divine creator. So this is like super conscious mind is not, because that is why the triangle is separate. It is not connected with that below box where the conscious and subconscious mind is connected. So the super conscious mind says that I am connected to the divine intelligence always. I can oversee the subconscious and the conscious mind. I am not affected by whatever is happening over here. I am directly connected to the divinity. So if you are connected, the subconscious mind can connect it to the super conscious mind, and it is the best thing which will happen to you. And it is the most important part, I think. So then the small square box, divine intelligence. And the divine intelligence, and the infinite intelligence. I create the self identity, and I can transmute the memories to void. I can transmute the memories to void, that is to the zero limits, to the at zero state, to the things where you don't have any negative memory, you have all the positive memories. So if the positive memory is there, you can manifest all the good things, you don't have any problem. So divine intelligence is God, it is Paramatma, it is inner being, it is source energy, it is whatever you want to call it, which is the at the highest level. And superconscious mind is connected to that, and subconscious and conscious mind are at the below. But everything is in our subconscious mind. So we need to delete the memories from the subconscious mind, and so that we can connect to the conscious mind. Okay. So one more call is coming. I will just look at it. Just a second. Okay. Things are okay now. Fine. So this is the very first time I am explaining about this entire diagram which is given in this book. I have even not explained it in the Hindi channel. So thank you so much for listening to this video. If you do understand, please comment. If you don't understand, then also comment. If you want anything else to know from me about law of attraction, about Ho'oponopono prayer, about sometimes about Silva method, I try to explain in Silva method style also. So that's all. And if you're enjoying this series, please do help me by making it a success, by sharing it among your friends, by commenting over these videos, and by following what I am sharing with you. And thank you so much for all your love, support and appreciation. Thank you so much. And if you really like it, I will try to give you some more information after finishing this entire series. I will ask you what specific questions you have, so I will try to give you the answers personally also, by having some live session and all that. Not yet finally decided, but we'll try to do. Okay, thank you, love you, bye.